All right, hello. Welcome again. 3.6b this time. I'm on page 206 in the book. Now for 3.6, the previous lesson, very similar, but those all were intersections. If you remember the graph, that's where sometimes I use the word between. We just connected the two circles on the number line, so it was between two numbers. Where those were intersections, these are now called unions. Notice the word in the middle. It's or. So really, we have two separate inequalities with or in between them. So what we do is we just solve them separately. You take the first one. Here's the first one. And you solve that simply by subtracting 2 from each side. And that gives you x is less than, what's that, -8. Then go to the other side, which is this one. I'll put a box around it. And this one again, you just subtract 2 from both sides. Now, we're subtracting 2 on each of them. That's just a coincidence. That won't happen every time. You solve the left one one way, the right one a completely different way, usually. So this turns out to be x is greater than 4. And we graph both of those answers. This is one answer. This is the other answer, but we graph them together on the same number line. So we draw a number line. There's 0. The first one would be -8, open circle, less than goes to the left. The other one would be 4, open circle, greater than goes to the right. You will see on all of these OR problems, your graph will go in opposite directions. One goes to the left, one goes to the right. So we're no longer connecting them. We're no longer connecting them like we did in the previous section. I want to try number 8. For number 8, I'm going to add 1 to that side to solve it. That gives me r is less than 1. The other side, I just happen to add 1 again. Again, that always won't be the case. We get r greater than 5. So r is less than 1, or I can bring that word down, or r is greater than 5. Let's graph it. Number line, 0. The first one would be 1, open circle, it's less than, and then 5, open circle, greater than. And you're done. You've solved it, and you've graphed it. Now, skip to number 12. Right there, number 12. This time, we're just reversing the process. They give you the graph. We have to write the inequality. Well, please note that the word or goes in the middle. Let's do the left side. I'm going to use the letter x. X would be less than or equal to, because it's a closed circle, -3. Or the other side, x would be, that's greater than 3. That would not be underlined because it's an open circle. So all of this together is my answer with the word or in the middle. Hey, thanks for watching. Good luck.